Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. I know it's been a minute, but I am here to show you my December daily supplies that I bought. This is just everything that I purchased, and the rest I'll be pulling from my stash. But I'm just gonna go real quick. These are some little paper bags. I think I got these at Walmart for like 99 cents. And I got these doilies at Michael's. And I paid $3.99 for these doilies. They are, like, looking at them, I had some from the Target dollar spot. And I just ran out. But I don't know, I think the ones from the dollar spot were a little better. They had more texture to them. And I also bought these little gingerbread stickers from Target. These are in that, what is it? Like the American Greetings, like the card section. But I mainly bought these for the little gingerbread guy. And I got the Maggie Holmes sticker book. And mainly I bought this because I have the Shine 12 by 12 paper pad. Well, I've had it for a while, and I'll be pulling a lot of those papers for my foundation pages. So I just went ahead and grabbed this, and I got this at Tuesday morning at their, what is it, like the 40% off sale. So I think it was like $10. And these are some rub-ons I got from Target. These were $1. And red is a part of my color scheme this year, so I'll probably use all the red stuff. I don't know about the green. I don't really like I'm not doing the traditional red and green, but red is a part of my color scheme. And I also got these were $3. It's called, they are ugly sweater patches. I don't know, these were so cute. If I can get it open. I don't know how they got this closed. But I plan on working these into my project life some kind of way. I mean, into my December daily. Let me see if I can open it. And I don't know, I thought these were so cute. So I will work these into my December daily album some kind of way. Like, it's little, I don't know if you call those like applique things. And I guess they have like some type of adhesive. Oh, they're meant to iron onto fabric, but I'm going to glue them into my album because they're cute. And I found these alphas at Target. These little alphas are so cute. They didn't have a price on them, but when I rung up, they rung up for like 48 cents. And if it wasn't so late, I would have ran back and grabbed all of them. But I had already been in Target a minute. So if next time I go back, if I see any more of these, I'll grab the rest of them. And I also got these. They're just some dimensional stickers from the Target. Yeah, Target dollar spot. And this is just tissue paper. Like most of the stuff, some of the stuff I picked up, like the tissue paper and the doilies, they are, I don't know, I guess essentials that I ran out of. And this is just a random piece of felt that I will be working into my album. I saw this in Walmart when I was doing my grocery shopping. So this will be in my album some kind of way. And I already cut it. I don't know what I cut it for, what I was doing. And this washi is, they now have this pattern at Walmart. I used to get this from Target every year, but they have it at Walmart now. So I buy one of these every time I see them, basically. And these dollar sticker books from the Target dollar spot. And I just get these every year. I mean, they're $1. You can't have too many stickers. I guess these will find their way into my planner or something. And this is like one of the kits that I will be using for my album. It's the Hello Winter by Echo Park. And I found this at Tuesday morning. I like the kit, but as you can see, it's like, I don't know, it was a lot of blue. It didn't have enough other colors. So I also got the digital kit from, what is it? Simple Stories. And it is called the Mistletoe Kisses. It's a real old kit. But I have the digital kit of that. I just downloaded. And I have the digital kit from Snow and Cocoa, the crepe paper. I got that one last year. So that's not really new, but that's what I'll be using in my album. And this is just some wrapping paper. And yes, the wrapping paper will also find its way into my December daily album because it's cute. And I know, like, I like getting, well, I don't really do the whole red and green traditional color scheme. So I like finding random stuff to work into my kit. So, work into my December daily album. So I am going to go organize all of this and pull stuff from my existing stash. And I will be back to show you like how I'm organizing my supplies and kind of like my DIY kit that I pulled from my existing stash. So stay tuned for that. That video will probably be up either tomorrow or later on today.